What's up, YouTube? Today I want to introduce to you guys two AI smart glasses that can help you capture your point of views when you are doing, any kind of activity or whatever you want to capture. These two glasses are by a company called Fitn, Fit I believe N. So yeah, Fitn, I believe that's what it's called. So there's two different versions. This is more of like a classic, style glasses, like kind of very similar to the Ray-Bans, and this is a sports glasses right here for doing sports and activity. It has the IPX4, but the two glasses are made by the same companies and they have the exact same features, the exact same camera, and basically identical as far as software. It's just hardware where they are different. Not only does it look really good, it actually captures some really cool point of views. It has a very decent camera. It has built-in sound and microphones, so two speakers on each side, microphones. It has a camera right here and a indicator light to show when it's recording, for people's privacy. And the lenses itself, they are also polarized. But yeah, this is very cool right here. It has a USB-C output right here. Input to charge the glasses, so which means that any of your USB-C cables for your phones can easily work with these glasses right here. It comes in this case, which I will open in a second. Now here is the sporting glasses right here. This is actually my preferred one because I ride my e-bike a lot and I do a lot of sporting activities. This right here is perfect for someone like me. And unlike this one, the camera is actually right in the middle, so when you are doing sporting activities like playing pickleball, lawn tennis, this middle part right here creates a very good point of view shots for you. I think without a doubt, this glasses is the best sports cycling glasses I have ever owned. Besides the fact that it has camera, microphones, speakers, this things just look really good. And one of the things that I love the most about this is when I'm riding my e-bike, cycling, the wind is not blowing in my eyes, or dirt is not blowing from the side, or from the bottom like the typical Meta glasses, or like the other one, the V03 glasses. So yeah, I really love the way this thing looks. And once again, if you're recording, it does show a light. You can see the light right here, for privacy. It does tell people that you are recording. It is polarized, which makes it harder for me to see the display on my bike. However, I just bought a polarizing film that I'm gonna put on this right here. That way I'm able to see my speedometer, my battery life, and things like that when I'm riding my e-bike. But man, you can't tell me this doesn't look good, man. I really love the way this thing look. I'm digging it. Like, before I used to wear my Meta glasses to ride my bike, and I have these accessories that I put there for wind and stuff, but this is now my new glasses for riding e-bikes and for doing sports activity. So on the side you have the ability to touch control. They have touch controls on both sides, so to control it, you just tap or slide, and it has a button right here for microphone to record audio or to access the AI assistant. Over here you have your power button, as well as pictures and recording. And over here you also have a volume slider button. So this is what it sounds like. I can turn the volume up. It's open ear design, so the sound is not going to give you the biggest bass, but with the open ear design, it allows you to hear your environment. That way, if you are playing a sporting activity or you're on your bike, you can easily hear your environment, and you can make calls, answer calls. It has built-in microphones. They both have built-in microphones. I'm gonna show you guys some of the videos that these glasses capture and how they look on the face. Now for the AI assistant, even though you can't use the button, you can actually use your voice as well. It has real-time voice translation within the app. You can select whatever language you want to translate, and it will help you with that. So for example, you can also look at use the camera on the glasses to translate something, or you can use the AI assistant to say, hey, what am I looking at? As a matter of fact, I'm going to do it right now. Hey Echo, what am I looking at?
You are looking at a display of smart glasses, or AR, augmented reality glasses, along with related tech accessories. The items are likely part of a tech exhibit or a store showcasing wearable.
So you guys can see the AI assistant is pretty smart. It works just like the ones you will find on Meta or anything like that. And but once again, for the price, I think it's a pretty good deal. This one here is $99 and this one here is $69. If you've been looking for a smart glasses, AI smart glasses that actually looks good and has a very decent camera, 1200p camera, I think these two choices might be a very good option. So in the case of the glasses, so I'm gonna start with this one right here, which is the V06. It comes with this right here, which allows you to put your lens, prescription lenses for those who wear glasses, which I don't, so I don't need that. And then it has this little pouch right here, which you can actually store your glasses. And then it comes with a charger. Now, unlike the V03, this one doesn't use a USB-C charging. It uses a magnetic charging cable, which is also included in the box. You just slap it right here and magnetizes and it starts charging. On the V03, you use a USB-C, which is pretty nice. Now, the thing is, having the USB-C cable makes it easy because you can use any cable, but it also reduces its water resistant capability. So for sporting activities where you're going to be sweating a lot, you would want the magnetic portion of it. Now for the V03 glasses right here, you guys can see it does come with USB-C cable as well for charging it, and it does come with a little pouch to store the glasses. You can see it right here. So if you don't have a stand or something, you can just simply put it in there. Now once again, both glasses are run by the same app. Now here's the thing though, there is two cons that I want to talk about. One of the cons is the microphone. Yes, you can take calls and speak, and it's very clear. You know, the person on the other side will have no issue hearing you. The con that I have for me is when I'm recording videos outdoors, it automatically applies noise reductions. I don't like that because it's not good. The automatic noise reduction is not good. I wish we have the option to turn that on or turn it off. That way I can apply my own noise cancellation afterwards, post-production. So here is my desk, indoor video recording. How does it look? Yeah, you've been judged. Now the second con is the app, right? With the app, I can only connect one glasses at a time. And that is disappointing because now I have two glasses for one phone, which means that I have to keep this and get rid of this, or if I want to use this, then I'll have to unpair this device right here from here and then pair this, and then if I want to connect it, I have to remove it and unpair it, which is, I wish there was a way you can add multiple devices on one app at the same time. That would be great. So this looks good, however, this is my preferred one just because if I can't pair two glasses to the app, then I'd rather use this once again just because I can use this when I ride my bike, and then just use my Meta glasses for all the other times I would have worn this. Now keep in mind, the company did send this to me for free for a review. However, everything I said in this video is 100% my opinion. If you want one, there's going to be a link in the description.